In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is tap on an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background. Then hold it until you see this pop-up, and when you do, select split screen. Then tap on the second app you wanna use and enjoy operating in both at once. To go back from this view, you can either go into background apps and swipe it, or hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left. Then tap on home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!